Hello and welcome back. This is about the Ever Technician Management app. If you have not watched the complete ERP software, please do check back and check SB Formulation Service, the Pest Control Digital Tools on YouTube, so you can get the complete video of the ERP software. This is the Technician Management app. I'm going to show you how it works. So first thing first, you have to go to Google Play Store. The app is available on Google Play Store. So now we want to download the app. So we just have to install the app from Google Play Store. It's called Everpudo app. So now I've opened the app. I've installed the app. I just have to open it. So I'm signed in already, but I want to start from the beginning. Let me just deregister. So this is the first page you see when you want to sign in. So I'm going to sign in as on the demo account now. Then I'm going to log in as the admin, as the CEO of the company. Shuffle one, then it just takes a few minutes to load. Then I'm signed in as the admin. So now, I want to log in as, okay, let me log in as the admin to schedule a service, then I will log in as a technician. So you see how it works and how basically you can get more information, but just have to log in again as the admin. So I'm in as the admin. So as the admin, I can see this is the customer service dashboard. I can see all the information of my clients. These are the services that we've scheduled, we've planned for December 12th, 2021. These are the services here. But these are the service scheduled services. You can see SB Trade is scheduled. This service is scheduled for 12th of December. Then we have in process. So there is no technician working on site currently. That's why there's no thing in process. Let's see completed. There's no technician working today. So technician has not started the work. The first work is supposed to start, it's scheduled to start 6 p.m. So the other one is 7 a.m. but the technician has not done the job. So now I want to open another. So now I want to create a service. So schedule a service, create a customer. So I can easily create a customer, put my customer on my platform easily. So imagine my customer name is Tunde Dayo. The branch, I just pick up this. These are the branches. If you have over like 15 branches in different countries, you can place all of them on this single platform, which makes it very easier for you to manage all your technicians from different countries, different cities, and different places at the same time. So I want to use this email account. The email is mandatory because that is where you're going to get the report of the services done. So I'm putting on the phone number now. Then the address. Let me put University of Ibadan. The landmark. The city. Oh, because this is a demo account. Let me just put any city. So now I submit. I've created a customer account instantly. So if I generate the customer call me 5 minutes now, I didn't even take a minute to create an account for the customer on my platform. So now this is, let me schedule the service for 12. This is 11. So let me schedule the service for 12 o'clock. So no matter where the technician is or where the technician was before, he will get a notification on his phone that there's a service scheduled for him. So now I've scheduled the service for Shofu, which is the technician that I'm going to log in to. So I'll schedule a bedbug treatment for him. So automatically he gets a notification on his device that there's a service scheduled for him at that point. But apart from just scheduling services, you can also do a lot of things on this app, which involves live location of your technician. So I want to look for location of my technicians, pick up Let me pick up Shofu. So because the technicians are on different location, these are technicians that are in India. These are Indian countries, but let me use only Shofu because that's a Nigerian technician, so that it can only show the Nigerian. So now you can see 12th on the 10th of December he was at University of Ibadan. As you can see, Adegbite Street. I can actually trace him to the house that he is. Can you see? Trace him to that house. This is Anchorage Hostel, and the other building next to it is the building beside Anchorage Hostel. So in this Anchorage Hostel there are two buildings there. So this is the first one, this is the second one. So that means this is where I logged in before. So this is like a tracker for your technician. Now it was showing two location, so that was for on the 10th. At that time 5:54, the location has changed. Can you see? The next time I was able to log in again was 5:54 at this particular position. And what this icon means here at this map part here, I don't have Google Map installed on my phone, but if I have it, it will direct me to this current location where the technician is. So now let's log in as the technician, and before we go, and for services like bedbug treatment, you can easily create them here. You create a service here, makes it very easy. So now I want to log in as a technician. I don't have to log out now. Then I schedule the service for Shofu, which is the technician. So automatically the first thing you see is, do you want to sign in? This means that the app also collects attendance of your technicians, so it helps you in terms of the attendance and get accurate job well done at the right time and at the right location. So now we want to sign in. Yes, you are signed in already, and this is the job I just assigned for a technician, Tunde Dayo. That's the technician. And again, the technician can also get the information of the client without even calling the CEO of the company or probably the operation manager. The technician can easily get the information. I don't have Google Map installed on my phone yet, but this should, okay, good. Can you see? It can't find a way because the direction I used there, the location that I got there was in India, and University of Ibadan is in Nigeria, so it can't locate the two of them together. But if I had brought in a better location, direct location with a very good, I'm using a demo account, and demo account is being used in Nigeria and then India and then outside of Africa in different countries, so we don't have Nigerian location currently on that platform, so that's why. But if I had it there, it makes it very easy. It's just like Google Map, like the way popular Uber or Bolt works. It can easily direct you to the location. Take bike, you can know the location directly. So now let's go back to the app. So it also like gives you the number without you calling your CEO or the operation manager. This is the number of the clients I imputed into the account as the admin, so I can easily call the client and make, okay, I'm closer to your area, how can I get to this point, I'm coming right now, stuff like that. So it makes it very easy. Yeah, let's go back. So I want to start the service as a technician. So what are you going to the customer address to do the service? If I click, immediately I click on yes, this app automatically notes my location change. From now it's counting already. So I'm going to move from where I am now. I'm moving, changing my location. You can see I'm changing my location, changing my location. There's an effect that this does to the platform. So now I'm going to report that I have gotten to it. So it says, have you reached the customer service address? Yes, I have. So the location, can you see kilometer moved, 1.3 kilometer moved. So now the other thing I'm going to do is to click on it and start the service. So as a technician, I have to take a picture of what I found before treatment. So this is what we call pest sighting. So what I just do is, okay, I found this environment should be a very good major problem of why you're having different mosquitoes, snakes, or what have you. So this is going to be part of our reports that we're going to give our clients. So it automatically generates a report for your client. So it's loading. So you can take a picture before and after treatment. We call pest sighting. Takes a picture, then you can also input your findings. So now I've done before, let me put in after. So afterwards, let me use this ground as after. So I've inputted before and after. The next thing for me to do is put in my findings. What have I found as a technician during the treatment? So first thing first, cockroach, cleaning is not done properly. So I just have to pick up just my findings. So cockroach found, just assume that you found cockroach. How many cockroach? 20. The location, I have that, then submit. So upload, if I have any information to upload, probably treatment method that was used in the, okay, for cockroach I can use fogging. Select the pest, cockroach found, treatment area, warehouse, add. So you can add as much as possible treatment. Okay, if you repellent, okay, I put in repellent into the warehouse, also submit. Then also a checklist. This is a checklist that we can help you set up for, we can set up for you depending on what and how your company works. So I got a service reminder now that I have a job for 12, a service reminder for 12 o'clock. So please check your scheduled service, because I've logged in as a technician, so it gets a notification. You can see how amazing the app works. I scheduled the service for 12 o'clock already, and 11:30 I'm already getting a notification that I should check a scheduled service. So now I just have to pick, have you closed the tab properly? Yes, I've done that. Enter remark. Great job. So materials, no materials to display. So tools, I don't have any tools. So now I just want to do, okay, I'm done with my treatment, and I just click completed. So I'm done with the service. So automatically I'm done with the service, and what next to do is to collect feedback from the client. So what I have to do is just click here. Imagine I'm the client now. I just have to put a service rating or very good service, customer remark, very good technician, responsible person, Tunde Dayo. So I just have to sign here. It also collects the signature of your technicians, of your client also, so you can understand this. All this information saves at the back end of your treatment. So now I'm done with that service, and I just have to move down to history. So the service is completed already, and if I have any expenses, I can put in there, register my expenses. If I have done any expenses, if the technician has done any expenses for moving from one location to another, or you can see local travels from one travel to another. So I don't have any expenses, I didn't move any location, so I'm not going to put that. So do you want to cancel? Yes. So I want to now log in as the admin, so that I can see the process, the progress of the technician I sent out to do a job for me. So So now I want to log in as the admin. So now I'm in as the admin. So I want to see the process, the services in process, completed services. So now I have completed service. It indicates that your service has been completed. So I'm done with that service now, and the client has been serviced already. So the report of the job and the recommendations has been sent via email to the client. So now I used in my email. So I would go there now and check. I'm already on my email, and the next thing for me to do, I got an instant. The service ended 11:35, and I got the mail 11:35 a.m. but it came to my spam here. And so now this is it. Dear customer, find the service record of our pest management carried out at a premise. Please share your feedback on this link. But we won't go to the feedback now. But let's go to the report first. This is the report of the service that we just completed now. So you can see Tunde Dayo, the informations we put in there. So, but if you're going to get this app, you have your logo, your informations here, and this picture here depends on if you want to put it as a footer of your own page. You can put it in there to design your own template. But this is basically how it works. So see the remarks. This is the signature of the client, authorized signature of the client. Then now that's the reports that you can send to your own customer. So to the feedback. So depends on where you want the feedback to go. If you want them to direct the feedbacks to your Google My Business, it automatically we will set and configure it for you to that point. But this is a demo account. So feedback for service for anti-SPAC carried out by Shofu. Will you like the service? Very, very satisfied. Remark, great customer relationship. What aspect of your service made you give us this call? Very good personnel. So service feedback has been sent already, and that's it's basically about the Eva Qdo Technician Management app. And you can see if you have any inquiries, you can contact the company via email. Depends on what you want. We'll set it up to your company needs and to your company requirements. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have not watched out the complete ERP software, does and help in terms of sales management, accounting, product management, inventory, a lot more, service technician management, a lot of things that have to do with pest control, cleaning services, basically facility management, and even security services. Security services need the technician management app a lot, because you offer different services. It's actually required to make and perfect your own work. So thank you very much. I look forward to hearing from you. My name is Shofu Babalona. I'm the CEO and the Managing Director of Pest Control SB Fumigation Services of Shofu B Solutions Limited. Thank you very much. This is Pest Control Digital Tools. Thank you.